Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Vishes Academy. Today we will learn about sentences. So what are sentences? Let's take an example. Bus goes by, he, the office too. Now, are these words making any sense? No, it does not make any sense. So we can write he goes to the office by bus. Now, this is a sentence. So we can say that a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence begins with a capital letter and usually ends with a full stop. Now let's take an example. To school go, I late never. Is this correct? No. Why? Because it does not make any sense. So the correct sentence is I never go to school late. Next example. To has dolls the child. The correct sentence is the child has two dolls. So you can see in both these sentences that first letter, first alphabet is capital and in the end we put a full stop. So sentences generally starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now if we talk about the part of sentences, the sentence has a two parts, that is subject and predicate. So what is subject? Subject is the part of a sentence which names the person or thing that we talk about is called the subject. मतलब जिसके बारे में भी हम बात कर रहे होते हैं, जिस भी पर्सन या थिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं वो आता है सब्जेक्ट में, और जिस पार्ट में वर्ब या किसी सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं वो पार्ट होता है प्रेडिकेट. सो द पार्ट which contains a verb and says about the subject is called the predicate. Now let us understand with some example. The birds are flying up. In this sentence the subject is the bird and the predicate are flying up. Why? Because we are talking about the words, and I told you earlier that in the predicate part we talk about subject and it contains a verb. So are is a helping verb and flying up we are talking about the birds, so it is a predicate. Now next sentence, Shobha is a clever girl. Shobha is what? Shobha is a person. So it is a subject, is a clever girl. Now who is a clever girl? We are talking about Shobha. So it is a predicate. Let us understand some more examples of subject and predicate. The children are watching cartoons. Now in this sentence the children are the subjects, are watching cartoons is a predicate. Because who is watching cartoon? The children. We are talking about the children. So are watching cartoons is the predicate. My uncle is an engineer. My uncle is the subject, is an engineer is the predicate. Now types of sentences. There are total 4 types of sentences. First, declarative sentences or statements. Second, interrogative sentences or questions. Third, imperative sentences or commands. Fourth, exclamatory sentences or exclamations. Now let us discuss them in detail. First is statements. So all those sentences which state something are called statements. For an example, you walked fast. Second example, they are watching TV. We are learning grammar. He has opened the gate. So all these sentences states something, that's why they are statements. Now the second is interrogative sentences or questions. All those sentences which ask questions or all those sentences in which we put question mark at the end are called interrogative sentences. For example, what channel is the program on? Has he opened the gate? Doesn't she like tea? Can you operate a computer? Now in all these sentences you can see that in the end we have put the question mark and they are asking something, so they all are interrogative sentences. Now the third one is commands, or we can say imperative sentences. All those sentences that give commands are called imperative sentences. For example, turn the TV down, open the gate, don't take too much tea, switch off the computer. Now in all these sentences you can see that we are giving order to someone, so they all are imperative sentences. Many times students get confused between declarative and imperative sentences. Declarative is those sentences that states something, but imperative is all those sentences in which we give order to someone. Now exclamation, all those sentences which end with exclamation mark or which contains exclamation mark are called exclamatory sentences. For example, what horrible tea, what a marvel the computer is, how noisily he has opened the gate. In all these sentences you can see that we have put an exclamation mark, so they all are exclamatory sentences. So students, I hope you got the topic sentences, its parts and types of sentences. If you have any query, you can comment me in the comment section given below. Thank you. Take care.